install Mongo DB in your local machine. So the question is, what is Mongo DB? So you will learn how to install Mongo DB into your local machine. So the question is, what is Mongo DB? Mongo DB is an open source database management system that uses a document-oriented database model. If you want to install them, just type in Google, and then here you open this into the browser, the MongoDB from official website, and then you can see the server, and then click on that. You will see free options here. For example, version, the current version is 4.2.0. so this is the version. So if you click on drop down, and this one is OS, and this one is the format in which you want to download. So here you can see there are different operating systems for which you can download and install into your local machine. For example, Ubuntu, and apart from that, if you want to install into Mac OS X, then you can see there is that option also. And apart from that, you can see MSI. So click on this download button, and then the downloading will start. So here you will be prompted to enter your details into the right side, but it's not compulsory, it's not mandatory. So automatically it started downloading. So once this downloading is complete, then you can double click on that, and then you can start installing. So I was talking about the MongoDB. So MongoDB is an open source database management system that uses a document-oriented database model, which supports various forms of data. It is one of the numerous non-relational database. So now the download is complete. So tap it and click on next, and then accept terms and conditions, and then click on complete, and then simply press next. Here you can see one of the options. Here you can see install MongoDB database compass. So it is more of like PHP-MyAdmin if you come from PHP background. So click next, and then downloading. The installation starts. So if you have worked ever on PHP-MySQL, then you might have used PHP-MyAdmin. So what is PHP-MyAdmin? PHP-MyAdmin is a GUI-based database management system from where you can create database, you can create tables and different fields also. So similarly, here in MongoDB also there is Compass, which is a GUI-based database management system. So after this pressing complete, so it is completed. Now let's search here, and you can see here Compass. So it is community version, so click on that. So this MongoDB Compass it automatically installed, and then after clicking on that, you can open the GUI version, so that you can create database, and also you can create a document in another, like PHP, like MySQL or Oracle, it is called a table, but in this it is called document. So this is the GUI tool which will open, and here you can see this is the interface to connect to database. So here this is the port, and this is the host name, and after that click on the next button, and then click on the next button. The database is connected.